What's up, gorgeous people? This is the Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my December and January Diva bag by Sonya. Now, normally I don't unbox this one in front of the camera. I usually just do a short video. You just see my hands unboxing it really quick. But Sonya has been sending some really awesome stuff in these boxes, and unfortunately, I haven't had time to unbox them for you guys. And I just want you guys to see how awesome this box is. I just love Sonya. This is definitely a box that I'm going to keep in 2024. So, just a quick update for those of you who are interested in the unboxings that I do, which isn't very many people, but that's okay. I did cancel my Ipsy and I did cancel the BoxyCharm because what's happening is I find myself giving all of that stuff away. I'm not keeping it for myself. So why should I continue to get boxes that just aren't, what's the word? Anything that I want to keep. It's kind of a waste of money. So I decided to go ahead and cancel those two. My last boxes will be in March, I think, or, my renewal's in March, so maybe my last box is in February. After that, I won't be getting those two anymore. I am going to continue to get the Walmart beauty box because I found things in there that I usually keep almost everything in that box, and then I also find myself liking some of the stuff so much that I'm buying it. So, that's another thing too. Let you guys know that I'm definitely going to keep the Walmart beauty box. I'm going to keep the Diva bag by Sonya, and just some of the other boxes that I continue to get but haven't been unboxing, which I need to start doing. The mystery box of awesome. I love that one. The mini one and the mega one, I'm going to keep both of those. Those have been super fun all year. Definitely going to continue to get those. And the Heroes Tower mystery box, as well as the Diva bag by Sonya and the Walmart beauty box. Those are probably the only boxes that I'll have this year. I was getting a box from HBC Organics, but what I found with that one is I love it. I love all of her stuff, but I have so many soaps and stuff that I bought from her that it was just kind of overkill. So I was just getting I have too much stuff. I need to use what I have and then maybe get the box each month because, I use at least a bar of soap a month. Maybe it's every 3 weeks. I have to renew. But anyways, you guys are getting the point. So I don't want to have so much stuff. All right. Let's just put it that way. But anyways, before I unbox this, I do want to let you guys know that I did already wear the shirt. I mean, we are in January. I think this is January 5th when I'm filming this. So I did already wear my January shirt that she included in here. So you guys are going to see it, but it's already been worn. Whatever. I've already gone through this box and I lost something that was in the box. We'll go through that too. Anyways, she does include shirts with the box. I guess I'll do those last, but look at this. I don't know if this is part of January because she put them all in together, or the December box, but how fun is this hat? How fun is this hat, right? I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm not a hat person at all. It's a really fun hat. I may wear it, guys. I might actually wear it. This is so incredibly fun. I just love this hat. How fun is this, you guys? Do you think it's going to look good on me? I don't know. Ooh, needs adjusted. What do you guys think? Let's see. Let me adjust it because it actually, I'm getting the vibe that it doesn't look that bad. I'm really not a hat person, guys. I don't really wear hats very often. I need to adjust it even more because it's getting caught on my little bun that I got back here. Yeah, so I actually like it. I'm just saying, kind of feeling the hat. Yeah, I'm feeling the hat. Sonya always knows what I need when I don't even know I need it. Okay. And then she has this hot caramel apple hot chocolate bomb. Super fun, right? Loving that. That is definitely something that sounds really good right now. And then I have a couple of little sample things in here, guys. I think there was 2 of them. This is Coconut Kiss and Fruity luxury body washes. So these are just little samples, guys. So I could try this body wash out. If I like it, then I can go ahead and buy a full one. But here's the thing, guys. I am a bar soap person now. I never thought I would say that, but I'm a bar soap person now. So I use bar soaps only. So I'll probably go ahead and give these away to somebody in my family that might be able to use them. I don't know. Maybe I'll send them some friend mail. Believe it or not, I still have friend mail that I want to send out. Okay. Katy Perry's Indie. Oh, it's a perfume spray. I don't do, the only thing that I wear, guys, is the Body Fantasies Cotton Candy. It's a body wash. I won't use this, but I will go ahead and open this part here. I might give it a quick sniff for you guys. You guys can see that I probably won't like it, but that's okay. Ooh, this is nice though. Look at this packaging, you guys. Super, super nice. I will give this to somebody that I know who loves perfumes, and I do have a box for this person. If you catch this video, you'll probably know who you are. I don't even know how to open it, so I guess I can't smell it, but yeah, I'm gonna give this to her because I know that if she likes it, that she'll use it because she is definitely a perfume person. I am not. So that I'm not going to keep. That's okay. Oh, and then we have beauty blenders, guys. I'm not a beauty blender person either, so I'll go ahead and shove this in somebody else's box or just give it to my niece or something like that. But I don't use beauty blenders in either. I know that this is sounding like I'm not going to use anything in Sonia's boxes, but honestly, guys, usually I do. Oh, hair wrap. Who doesn't need a hair wrap? I actually do need some new ones, guys. I love these hair wrap things. These are fantastic as soon as you get out of the bathtub. I've never used a regular towel again on my head ever since I started getting these hair wraps. I'm not sure if Sonya was the first person to send me one, but anyway, yeah, I love these things. These things are so, this is a nice one. Look at this, you guys. So it just goes on your head, and then like you ball all your hair up in this, and then you just take this part right here and you just put it on the little button in the front here. I'm making it way harder than it needs to be because I'm trying to hurry up and do it. But usually it's a really quick, easy thing for those of you who haven't used these before. I'm sure almost everybody in the world has. But anyways, it's like this. Like you just put this and then your hair is all knotted up in here and it's just like a towel on your head. I love these things. I use them all the time. This is fantastic. Okay, so what do we have here? Beauty Creations. It's glitter. I'm not sure if it's like, it's probably, what's the word I'm looking for, guys? Probably glitter for like your eyes or something like that. I'm not really sure how to use this. I'll be honest with you. I'll probably use it in crafting if I'm being 1000% honest, but I'm definitely happy to have it. What do we have here? Beauty Black Temporary Hair Color. Temporary. Well, that's interesting. Look how little this is, you guys. Look. So here's this little container here, and it says it's temporary hair color. That's just so interesting to me. It's like a cream. So black, which my hair is black, so that's perfect. Okay, I can tell you I would probably definitely use that, especially in between. What I normally do, the little trick I do, guys, is in between when I dye my hair, because my hair would be completely white if I didn't dye it, I use eyeshadow, just saying. So that's a little trick that you can do in between to cover your grays in the meantime. This is a Mary Kay Cream Bronzer. Sonya does sell Mary Kay, and she does send a lot of Mary Kay products, which I have loved in these boxes. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. Ooh, yes. This is nice, y'all. Oh, it's like two-sided. So wait, let me just show you here. Like here it is like this, right? Okay. And then let me open it up. Can you see? So here's one side here, and then here's the other side. Okay, very cool. All right, I don't normally use bronzers very much, but you know, Sonya always knows what I need, so I might go ahead and use this one. How cute are these earrings? Oh my gosh, she has been sending me some of the cutest stinking earrings. You guys might see this better if I take them out of the thing. In these boxes. Oh my gosh, I wish that I like unboxed every one that she sent to me, because she has been sending me some of the cutest stuff. So look how cute those little tree earrings are. I'll have those for next year. Loving that. That was clearly part of the December box. And then I also have this glitter liquid liner. That's interesting. That I may give a try, you guys. I just might have to give that a try. That looks very cool. And ooh, it's a ring. So a little pouch here. You guys can't see nothing from the pouch. Let me go ahead and open this for you so you can see what's happening here. Oh, how pretty. Won't fit there. It's going to end up being a thumb ring, guys. Hopefully when I zoom in, you guys can see that. It's definitely going to end up being a thumb ring because it's too big for any of my other fingers. But that's totally fine. I can leave it on. We got some chocolate candies. She always likes to send in a little treat. So that's really nice. What is this? A Matte Shine Lip Set from Mary Kay. So here is the box of what it is, and then we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's going on in here, right? What do we got? So this is lip oil. Okay, so we have a lip oil right here, and this is the matte liquid lipstick. You know, I think I'm gonna like this color, y'all. So here's the matte lipstick. I hope when I zoom in that you guys get a good look at it. I'll go ahead and put some on my oh, it's a pretty color. Hopefully you guys are going to see that. It's pretty. I like it. It's a pretty color. Okay, so I got that. Oh, how fun is this? The letter A, because, you know, my name is Amber. How fun is this, you guys? Little keychain. How cute and fun is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. That is so stinking cute. That is adorable. I love that. Okay, and then I also got an eyeliner. And guys, I used it and I loved it. I loved it. But I don't know where I put it. Like I went to find it to show it to you guys. I don't know where it is. So I did get a really nice eyeliner in there. I'm sure it's going to turn up. It's going to turn up somewhere. Couldn't have just, walked out of my house or whatever. But I'm sure it's going to turn up. So let's go ahead and show you the shirts. I get a shirt in every box. This one says, have a what? Is that a W? A well and then Christmas? I don't know what that means, y'all. Am I supposed to know? Here you go. So here's the shirt for December. So this would be December shirt, okay? Because this is 2 boxes in one box, guys. So that is the December shirt. I'll definitely wear it, but I'm not really quite sure what it says. I'm not gonna lie. And then this was the one that I already wore for New Year's. This is the January one. It says, hello 2024. Super cute, right? And I've already worn it. That's why it's wrinkled all the heck and back. And I just now threw it in my dirty clothes. All right, guys, so that was my December and January box for the Diva bag by Sonya. So you won't see me unbox this one this month because she already sent it to me because she was going to be out on vacation and stuff like that. So she just wanted to get the boxes out ahead of time to make sure that she got them. She left a really touching note in this box, and it made me feel really good. It makes you feel good to help out a small business anyways, but when the business owner lets everybody know how much they appreciate their business, it makes you feel that much better. So just saying. It was a very touching note explaining some things that had gone on in her life and how she's really happy and grateful that she was able to keep a few of her Diva Bag by Sonya subscribers like myself. Because the box used to be, it was like $10 a month or something like that, and she sent some awesome stuff in that one. She had to discontinue that one. Then she started this one where she included the shirts, and it's only $25 a month for me, plus shipping and handling, so it comes out to $30 total. I think it's worth it every single month. She sends awesome stuff, and that's why this one will continue to stay in my rotation as long as she has the box. All right, guys, if you're interested in this box, you can find it on Diva Bag by Sonya website. I will have it linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!